Hey, how you doing? I'm Ian. Welcome to HHHunt Homes. Follow me. Welcome to our King floor plan. This is part of our Smart Living collection. As you can see over here, this is our family room, great for entertaining. And here you have the dining area. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. So we're standing here in the gourmet kitchen. There's plenty of counter space, plenty of cabinet space, and we also have a huge pantry. Can't you see yourself making dinner in here? Also, the first floor, we have a garage, a powder room, flex space, and now let's go check out the upstairs. Welcome to your owner's suite. As you can see, there's plenty of space in here. Behind me is the owner's bath. Over here is the large walk-in closet. So the King floor plan includes a loft area, but you can make it a sitting area in the owner's suite. Let's go take a look at the rest of the home. So also on the second level, you have 3 bedrooms with large walk-in closets, a lot of natural light. You have a laundry room, linen closet, and also a full bath. Thank you for taking the tour with me today. As I mentioned earlier that the King is part of our Smart Living collection, you will get to choose from several different floor plans designed with you in mind. For more information, visit hhhunthomes.com because at HHHunt, we believe it's how you live that matters.